Welcome to the lab. Before we get started, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share lab content on your socials. Today, we're diving into the world of DeFi aggregators. If you want to find the best deals and maximize your returns in the DeFi space, you're in the right place. Let's break down what DeFi aggregators are and how they can help you, especially when it comes to swapping tokens. So, what exactly is a DeFi aggregator? Imagine it as a tool that searches across multiple DeFi platforms to find the best prices for your crypto investments. It's like having a super smart assistant that helps you get the most out of your crypto activities. One of the key benefits of using a DeFi aggregator is for swapping tokens. When you want to exchange one crypto for another, you could use just one platform, but that might not always give you the best deal. A DeFi aggregator helps by comparing rates from different decentralized exchanges and finding the most favorable exchange rate for you. Let's look at some popular DeFi aggregators that make swapping tokens easier and more efficient. Zerion is a powerful DeFi aggregator that provides a user-friendly interface for managing your DeFi assets. It allows you to swap tokens across multiple decentralized exchanges and liquidity pools. Zerion not only helps you find the best exchange rates, but also lets you track your entire DeFi portfolio in one place. Another top DeFi aggregator is 1inch. 1inch excels in finding the best exchange rates by splitting your trades across various decentralized exchanges. This means it searches for the best price and liquidity available, helping you save on fees and get the most out of your swaps. 1inch also uses a technology called the Pathfinder algorithm. This algorithm breaks down your trade into smaller parts, executing each part on the exchange that offers the best price. This approach ensures you get the best possible deal for your token swaps. Next up is ParaSwap. ParaSwap is known for its efficiency in finding the best exchange rates by aggregating liquidity from various decentralized exchanges. It focuses on providing a seamless and quick swapping experience, ensuring that you get the best price without unnecessary delays. ParaSwap also provides detailed analytics and price slippage information, helping you make informed decisions when swapping tokens. It's designed to offer transparency and ensure you're getting the best value for your trades. By comparing rates across multiple platforms and finding the best deals, they help you save on fees and ensure you get the most value from your trades. Thanks for watching. We hope this gives you a clear understanding of how DeFi aggregators work and how they can help you make higher gains when swapping tokens.